This is the expression test form. You should also have a test work document. Any question where it asks you to do work, you will do the work on the test work document, and it is worth part of your grade. When you are finished, you will take a picture of your work and turn it in Google Docs. Any short answer questions, please use lowercase letters only. Do not add spaces in typed expressions. Your email address, last name, first name, choose your class period, and let's begin the test. Test questions. You'll be putting your answer to the test questions in this form, and your work should be shown on the testing document in the correct numbered labeled box. The work document that you'll be submitting is worth part of this assessment score. Question 1A. Stephanie has $40 less than Stacy to spend at the mall today. Stacy has D dollars to spend. Choose the variable expression for the amount of money Stephanie has. 40 divided by D, 40 minus D, D minus 40, D plus 40. Number 1B. Using the information from the previous question, if Stacy spent $100, how much did Stephanie spend? Make sure you show your work on the work document. As you're typing your answer, do not forget the $sign, your label. Question number 2. Find the option with the definition of a variable and the correct example. A number sentence, a letter or symbol used to represent an unknown number, for example, W. Third one down, the number that is being multiplied or divided by a variable, or other. Number 3, find the option with the definition of a constant and the correct example. First one, a letter or symbol used to represent an unknown number, for example, W. Second one, a number that is being multiplied or divided by a variable, for example, 7y, but it's only the 7. Third one down, a number that is not being multiplied or divided by a variable, for example, 8. The fourth one, a baby elephant drinking Kool-Aid. Example, Kool-Aid jammer. Number 4, write a variable expression for the following word phrase: the product of a number 9 and B. Make sure you do not add spaces. Number 5, write a variable expression for the following word phrase: the sum of 5 and T. Again, no spaces, and make sure you use lowercase letters. Number 6, for the following expressions, identify the variable expression. Click all that apply. So find just variable expressions. There might be more than one. The first one says 4 times the quantity of 10 minus 3. The second one, 4z times the quantity of 3y plus 9 plus 9. Third one, 6xyz. And the last one, 6 minus 5 plus 21. Number 7, for the following expressions, identify the numerical expressions. So again, now you're just choosing the numerical expressions. There could be more than one. First one, 4 times the quantity of 10 minus 3. Second one, 4z times the quantity of 3y plus 9 plus 9. Third one, 6xyz. And the last one, 6 minus 5 plus 21. Number 8, identify coefficients in the expression a plus 7b minus 4c minus 3a minus b. Again, you're identifying the coefficients. Are the coefficients 7, 4, 3? Next. Are the coefficients 1, 7, negative 4, negative 3, negative 1? Next. A, 3a, 7b, negative b, negative 4c. Next. 7, negative 4, negative 3. Next. 1, 7, 4, 3, 1. Next. A, B, C. Last. 7b, negative 4c, negative 3a. Number 9, identify like terms that are like, in the following expression. Negative 9 plus 2xy plus a negative 7w minus 7xy plus g. What are the like terms? xy, w, g. Second one, negative 9, 2, negative 7, negative 7, 1. Third one, 2xy and negative 7xy. The last one, 2xy, negative 7w, negative 7xy, g. Number 10, identify the number of terms in the following expression. 4y minus 10 plus k. Again, how many groups or how many terms do you have? How many terms? First one, 4, negative 10, 1. Second, 3. Third, 4, negative 10, 2. Number 11, evaluate each expression. Substitute in the values and solve. Show your work on the worksheet. Okay, so here's the expression. 6a minus 2c plus ac minus 5a. Substitute in for a, 2, for the b, 5, and for c, 2. As you're solving this, do not forget order of operations. Number 12, evaluate each expression. Substitute in the values and solve. Again, show all your work on the worksheet. Be careful with this one. The expression is 3x minus y. Substitute in for x, 9. Substitute in for y, a negative 2. Be careful. Number 13A. Bagels from Panera Bread are sold in a baker's dozen, which means you would get 13 bagels instead of just 12. You are having a family reunion this weekend, and your mom put you in charge of making sure everyone gets one bagel. In the next question, you will be writing a variable expression for the number of baker dozens you would need to order to get a bagel for everyone at the reunion. For the choices below, choose the best choice for defining the variable. Should the variable be this first one, let x equal the number of people at the reunion, Second, let x equal total number of bagels. Third, let x equal the cost of the bagels. And the fourth one, let x equal the number of baker's dozens. Using the variable you chose in the previous question, so x, write a variable expression for the number of baker dozens you would need to order to get a bagel for everyone at the reunion. Here's a hint. Think about if, let's say, there were 100 people at the reunion. Okay, how would you set that up? Now, instead of using the number 100, replace it with the variable to come up with your expression. Again, there's 13 bagels that come in a baker's dozen. That 13 is an important number. Number 13, if your mom told you there were going to be 52 people at the family reunion, how many baker's dozens would you need to get? Show your work on the work document using the expression above on the work document. You do not need to have a wrap-up sentence, but you do probably need to have a label. Number 14, find the perimeter of the figure. Make sure to show your work on the work document. Remember, what is perimeter? Perimeter is adding up all the sides. So first things first, let's look at this side. This says 3x squared plus 8x minus 4. Over here I have 3x squared plus x plus 7. And on this last side, I have x squared minus 6x plus 4. So I hear in my head, I have x squareds, I have x's, and I have numbers or constants. So make sure you put them together, adding like terms. Okay, here are your choices for the above problem. Option 1, 6x squared plus 3x plus 7. Option 2, 7x squared plus 3x plus 7. Option 3, 7x squared plus 15x plus 7. Or option 4, 7x squared plus 15x. Number 15, simplify the expression. Make sure to write your answer in standard form. Show all of your work on the work document. So be thinking, what are my like terms? You're going to want to combine like terms. And then when you get your answer, rewrite it to make sure it's in standard form. Alphabetical order first. Negative 3a minus 6a minus 4b plus 10 minus b plus 7a minus 5a. Number 16, simplify the expression. Make sure to write your answer in standard form. Show all of your work on the work document. Here, you're going to distribute. Use the distributive property to everything in this group. Again, make sure if you need to combine like terms, you combine like terms after that, and then put it in standard form as your final answer. Negative 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 5y plus 10z. Think about distributive property and everything in the group. Watch your signs. Number 17, simplify the expression. Show all of your work on the work document. Make sure to write your answer in standard form. Again, do the distributive property and then combine like terms and then write it in standard form. The problem is 3 times the quantity of z plus 2 plus 10z. Number 18 is a problem just like that one. Simplify the expression. Show all your work on the work document. Make sure to write your answer in standard form. 4 times the quantity of 2y minus 5 plus 11y minus 3. Again, distributive property first, combine like terms, simplify it into standard form. Number 19, find the area. Area is length times width. Show all of your work on the work document. If I'm thinking about this one, do I need to use every side that I'm given here? If I think of area as length times width, okay? Make sure you write your answer in standard form.